Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access and use ChatGPT from Italy after ban. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Chrome Web Store, and once you are in Chrome Web Store, you simply need to search for free VPN, and you can find different VPNs here. You can easily download anyone, so click on that and click on add to Chrome. So you can see that I already add this extension. You simply need to go on that, and you simply need to change your location from here. So you can see different options. If you want, you can upgrade to Pro as well, but here you can see that different countries. So let me connect to the US, and once you connected, you simply need to go and open ChatGPT, and you can easily access. So this is the process by which you can access and use ChatGPT from Italy after ban. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.